In the silent, endless expanse of space, where darkness stretches beyond comprehension and time seems to lose all meaning, a discovery has shaken the very foundations of astronomy. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the cosmos, has once again unveiled the extraordinary. Only weeks after revealing the earliest known galaxy in the universe, it captured a phenomenon so unprecedented, so inexplicable, that scientists around the globe were left speechless. Hovering billions of light-years from Earth, Webb observed a supermassive black hole unlike anything previously documented. But this is no ordinary black hole, patiently devouring stars and gas over eons. This one is fleeing its own galaxy, not drifting gently through space, but racing outward at an astonishing velocity, nearly 4 million miles per hour. At such speeds, it could traverse the distance from Earth to the Moon in mere minutes. It is not merely moving, it is a cosmic cannonball, defying the natural order and challenging every assumption astronomers have held about these enigmatic objects. Across continents, scientists huddled around glowing monitors, their faces illuminated by the data streaming from the telescope. For decades, black holes have been understood as ultimate destroyers, engines of gravity that consume everything, even light itself. And yet, here was one moving outward into the void, leaving behind a trail that seemed almost alive, a paradox in motion. The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to look back across billions of years, to peer into the infancy of the universe and capture the first whispers of light from long-dead stars and galaxies. Its mirrors, polished to microscopic perfection, collect photons that have traveled farther than anything we can truly imagine. And now, they had revealed something profoundly different, intimate, almost poetic. This runaway black hole was not only moving, it was creating. As it barreled through clouds of interstellar gas, its supersonic passage compressed matter, igniting a spectacular chain reaction. Hydrogen clouds collapsed under the immense pressure, giving birth to clusters of new stars in its wake. Behind it stretched a luminous ribbon of creation, a cosmic river of light spanning nearly 200,000 light-years, twice the width of our Milky Way. It was chaos transformed into art, destruction birthing creation, darkness giving rise to light. A team led by Yale astrophysicist Professor Peter B. meticulously analyzed the data. Their findings, published in astrophysical journal Letters, confirmed the black hole's extraordinary behavior. Soon after, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope corroborated the observation. The runaway black hole was real, a cosmic rebel, a force capable of creating stars as it hurtled through space. Shock waves from its passage propagated outward, compressing surrounding gas and elements, triggering the formation of luminous, young stars. Astronomers describe this as paradoxical. A black hole, the ultimate destroyer, giving life instead of taking it. Equations struggled to account for this phenomenon, forcing scientists to reconsider the rules of cosmic dynamics. In its wake lies a profound lesson. Even the universe's most fearsome forces can be architects of creation. While the world was still processing this revelation, Webb turned its gaze to another marvel. ARP 220, the shining merger, a galaxy of staggering luminosity. One of the most powerful ever observed, its brilliance equals roughly 1 trillion suns. Imagine every star in the Milky Way multiplied 100-fold, each burning with intense light across intergalactic darkness. ARP 220 lies about 250 million light-years away in the constellation Serpens. But this is no ordinary galaxy. It is the aftermath of a colossal cosmic collision. Nearly 700 million years ago, two massive spiral galaxies began an inevitable descent toward one another, drawn together by gravity's invisible hand. The collision shredded spiral arms, fused galactic cores, and cast billions of stars into chaotic orbits. This violent dance ignited a furious burst of star formation, known as a starburst event. Within a region just 5,000 light-years across, Webb detected over 200 star clusters crammed into a space smaller than 1/120th of the Milky Way, containing as much gas and dust as our entire galaxy. Radio observations revealed over 100 supernova remnants within just 500 light-years, the violent deaths of massive stars, leaving elements to seed future generations of stars and planets. Imagine fireworks so vast that every spark is a sun, every plume a nebula, every echo traveling across light-years. While Hubble had glimpsed rotating rings of stars and gas in the colliding galaxies, Webb's infrared instruments pierced dense dust, revealing astonishing detail. Delicate tidal tails stretch outward like spectral arms, pulled by gravity into patterns of breathtaking complexity. These rivers of stars are more than streams of light. They are scars of a violent past, written across billions of years. At the heart of ARP 220, glowing filaments of red, cyan, and amber mark the presence of complex organic molecules, the very building blocks of life. Infrared imaging reveals glowing dust, like embers in a dying fire, while cold gas clouds shimmer as newborn stars ignite. Every filament, every swirl, every pulse of energy tells a story of creation intertwined with destruction. ARP 220 embodies the universe's relentless cycle of death and rebirth. Where one era ends, another begins. Chaos becomes order, destruction fosters creation. Its energy output, nearly 1 trillion times that of the Sun, makes ARP 220 one of the brightest infrared objects in the nearby universe. Yet amid the explosive brilliance lies serene beauty, a reminder that even the most violent events can produce harmony. ARP 220 is more than a galactic merger. It is a bridge across cosmic time, connecting the past with the future of the universe. As Webb continues its vigil, its golden mirrors stretch ever deeper into the heavens, capturing the light from the first galaxies, the birth of the first stars, and the origins of cosmic structures. These discoveries remind us that the universe is both violent and nurturing, destructive and creative, stranger and more beautiful than we have ever dared to imagine. From runaway black holes birthing stars in their wake, to colliding galaxies giving rise to trillions of suns and organic molecules, from chaos emerges creation. Every observation tells us that the universe is not a static void, but a living, breathing entity. Each photon Webb captures is a whisper from across space and time, carrying the history of cosmic events older than humanity itself. These revelations are not just scientific milestones. They are philosophical. They challenge us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. We are not mere observers of the universe. We are participants in a grand, ongoing story, woven from destruction and creation, matter and energy, darkness and light. And as humanity gazes ever deeper into the cosmos, one truth becomes clear. Our quest for understanding has only begun. There are stories yet untold, mysteries yet to be revealed. Each discovery, whether a fleeing black hole or a merging galaxy, is a reminder that the universe is alive with motion, transformation, and wonder. We are part of this cosmic tapestry made from the same dust, the same elements, and the same light that drifts endlessly between stars. In the vastness of space, every photon, every fragment, every collision tells a story. And as Webb continues to capture these ancient whispers, humanity listens, learning that the universe is more beautiful, more complex, and more astonishing than we ever dared to imagine. Because in the endless dance of creation and destruction, we begin to see not just the universe's past, but perhaps glimpses of its future, and our own place within it.